Just down from the Mojave Cross is the Teutonia Peak Trail. One thing to notice is all of the devastation from the dome fire. All these beautiful Joshua trees have been hopefully not destroyed. But they certainly have been burned to several degrees, and some of them have been destroyed. So this is the beginning of the trail, and the Teutonia Peak is over there. So I'm just going to walk a part of the trail just to get an idea of the destruction that took place with the fire. Now here's an interesting area. There's fire devastation all around here. Yet, this patch was not touched. Again, these burned plants give you the idea that something bad happened here. Over there in the distance, you can see the Mojave Cross. And this is worthy of a still picture. I've noticed these white areas on the burned out branches or stems of some of the Joshua trees. Maybe that's a healing process, or maybe some kind of preservative to cover the wounds. I'm not sure. Let's take a photo of that. So this white stuff seems to be ash from the bark. They say that the dome fire and some of the others were possibly caused by lightning strikes. This is an example of how wide the base of a Joshua tree can be. Usually they're about 2 to 3 feet across, but that's certainly 3 to 4 feet across. As I've said before, the Joshua trees put out branches just below the soil, probably in search of water and also for further stabilization of the plant. But anyway, they have something called buds that form at intervals, and these buds by themselves can become the start of a new Joshua tree. Look at this granite highway here. I'm sure that those of you who have done this trail before are familiar with the granite landmarks, but I'm sure you're shedding a few tears for what happened to the Joshua trees during the fire. The road is not the trail, and that this is the trail here. This part was not touched by the fire. There's fire over here, as you can see, but another patch that was spared. This is what the Joshua trees usually look like. But this little island was spared because beyond that are more scorched Joshua trees. Well, we're just about up to the base of Teutonia Peak. So here we are at the top of the first ridge. Now they're going ahead to the very top. But I think I've overextended what I was supposed to do anyway. Yeah. So this is what it looks like up here. and all the devastation as far as the eye can see. Well, we're heading out. We're back down at the base. So that's why this road is here, because this probably was the road they used to get to the mine and dig those holes. That's why these mounds of dirt are here, because those aren't natural. Obviously they are tailings from the mines. Yeah, that looks like a mine down in there. Whoa, this one's really steep. Again, an example of one of the burned Joshua trees without the leaves, the old dead leaves that undergo reflex downfolding. You can see a little bit up at the tuft on the ends of the stems here. You can see the leaves with the downfolding, but nothing here. And you can go from bare stem to the plaques, the bark plates. And again, with all the fire and heat, the seed pods are still here.